When you're searching for how to fix a noisy dishwasher, everything looks the same. Same products, same promises, and honestly, it can be overwhelming. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll find some real solutions that can truly bring back the peace and quiet in your kitchen. Product number 1, Dishwasher Rack Repair Kit. First up is the Quilea Dishwasher Rack Repair Kit, priced at just $9.99. What caught my eye is its durable waterproof formula. If you want to extend the lifespan of your dishwasher rack, this is worth a serious look. This kit is designed to tackle the wear and tear that can lead to annoying noises as your dishwasher struggles to wash dishes. With a coating that withstands high temperatures and humidity, it creates a robust barrier that protects against future damage. It adheres well, meaning you won't have to deal with peeling or cracking, which is crucial in a high-pressure environment. Plus, it includes everything you need for a precise application: brush, nozzle, and sandpaper, so you can target those trouble spots effectively. Now, some folks might find that the application process is a bit time-consuming. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put a little effort into it, you can save yourself from having to replace an entire rack, which can be way more expensive. This is perfect for you if you're looking to maintain your dishwasher without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're not willing to get your hands a bit dirty during the repair process. Alright, if the application hassle of the Quilea kit made you hesitate, this next product might actually be more your speed. Product number 2, Dishwasher Door Spring and Cable Kit. Next we have the Ehuang Tools Dishwasher Door Spring and Cable Kit, priced at $17.70. This caught my attention because a properly functioning door can significantly reduce noise. If you're dealing with a door that won't stay up or closes too fast, this is definitely worth a look. The kit includes 2 door springs and cables, specifically designed to replace worn-out parts that can cause loud clanking noises when opening or closing. The stainless steel construction ensures durability, and the model compatibility means you can get exactly what you need for your specific dishwasher. This is important because if the springs don't match correctly, it could lead to even more noise or malfunctioning. However, some users mention that the installation can be tricky if you're not handy. But I'll be real with you. You can take photos of the original setup, and it can be a DIY project that saves you from costly repairs. This is perfect for you if you want to fix a noisy door and you have a compatible model. Skip this if you're not comfortable with basic repairs, or if your door issues stem from other causes. Now, if dealing with springs sounds complicated, the next product offers a simpler fix for a common issue. Product number 3, Dishwasher Rack Repair Coating. The Mushunya Dishwasher Rack Repair Coating is up next, available for $11.58. What stood out to me is its ability to handle extreme temperatures, which is crucial when trying to maintain a quiet dishwasher. This coating is rust-proof and forms a dense protective layer that seals up damage and prevents future rust from forming. This means your dishwasher not only runs quieter, but lasts longer, which is a big plus if you're tired of frequent repairs. It also promises excellent elasticity, so you won't have to worry about it cracking under pressure. On the downside, some users found the application to be a little less straightforward than expected, but honestly, if you follow the instructions closely, it can really save you from more serious issues down the line. This is perfect for you if you have a dishwasher that shows signs of wear and you want an easy way to extend its life. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick fix without any effort involved. Now, if you're looking for something less involved, check out our next product, which focuses on a common wear issue. Product number 4, Universal Dishwasher Prong Rack Caps. Next is the Jocon Universal Dishwasher Prong Rack Caps, priced at $13.95. I was drawn to these because they're a simple yet effective solution to protect your dishwasher racks and prevent noise caused by metal-on-metal contact. These caps are made from food-grade silicone and fit snugly over the tips of your dishwasher prongs. They help preserve your expensive dishware and reduce rattling sounds during the wash cycle. The caps can withstand high temperatures, up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning they can handle the heat without deteriorating. However, some users noted that the adhesion could vary depending on the rack's existing condition. Here's the thing though, as long as your racks aren't too damaged, these caps restore them to a like-new condition without breaking the bank.
This is perfect for you if you want a low-effort solution to protect your dishwasher and reduce noise. Skip this if your racks are too worn out to benefit from caps. If the prong caps don't quite address your issue, the last product on our list brings a more comprehensive approach to repairs.
Product number 5, Dishwasher Rack Repair Kit. Finally, we have another Kulaya dishwasher rack repair kit, this time for $11.99. What caught my eye is its waterproof formula that promises to endure the high-pressure environment of a dishwasher. This kit offers excellent adhesion and is designed to repair damaged areas effectively, which is crucial for maintaining a quiet operation. The application process is straightforward, and it comes with everything you need for targeted repairs. This ensures you can tackle those problem spots without replacing your entire rack, which can be a real money saver. That said, some users expressed frustration with how long it takes to cure completely. But honestly, if you can wait it out, the long-term benefits outweigh the wait. This is perfect for you if you want to keep your dishwasher running smoothly and quietly. Skip this if you're in a rush and need immediate results. So there you have it. Each of these products offer unique solutions to tackle the noisy dishwasher issue you're facing.
To wrap things up, we've explored 5 great products. The Kulaya Rack Repair Kit for durable fixes, the Huang Tools Door Spring Kit for door stability, the Shinya Rack Coating for rust proofing, Jocon's Rack Caps for protecting your dishes, and another Kulaya kit for a comprehensive repair solution. Each has its strengths and ideal scenarios, so hopefully you found the perfect fit for your noisy dishwasher.